Hi, this is an additional recording to show you the difference between the standard AcePos system and this tourist version. This is basically created for tourism trade. You can see from our main menu here, there is something called commission class, whereby we allow you to create different class of people, because as you know, in the tourism trade, for the total sales purchases by the tourists, each type of people, for example, we call it class in this case, like tour agent, tour leader, tour guides, gets different commission percentage based on different types of products sold to the tourists. So here we allow you to create the different types. For example, here you have tour agent, tour leader, tour guide, bus driver, and their field reserve, and an in-house promoter. So you can create new type of class of people where they are given commission for the sales closed. Now once you have done that, you can also create commission table for different class of people. In this case, you can actually select the product. For example, in this case, I have got music product. Let's say I pick a particular brand. Now these are all flexible, how you set up your departments, product category, and product groups. If you have watched the AcePos standard version, you will notice that you can put any type of products that you want. Now inside here, you can then specify for these type of products that is sold. For tour agent, you get 10%. For tour leader, you get 5%. For tour guide, you get 3%, and so on. So you can actually specify different percentage of commission for these people, and the system will automatically calculate the commission at the end of the day or end of the month, depending on when you want to print your commission report. So this commission table maintenance is for this purpose, to set different type of percentage for different class of people who are entitled to the commission. Okay, let's cancel that. And we have also a what we call a commission template. Template meaning, like for example, for today, if there are certain groups of tourists coming in, they would have informed you, okay, which group of people are coming, who are the tourist guides and bus driver, for example. So you can create a template. So when they actually come in, you just call the template and you can immediately have the correct tour agent, tour guide, bus driver, and so on. You see, so we create one. For example, let's say this is a VIP. The VIP account in this case will be your tour companies. So let's say it's ABC Travel. Who is the promoter coming in? If they have informed you, okay, the promoter or the tour agent is coming in, the first one will be this tour agent number 1. Now here we put tour agent number 1, but actually you can put in the real name of the agent. There could be this particular bus driver is handling together with this group, and there is a tourist guide who is going to handle this end. So together you create this as a template. Now when they come in during the actual sales, when the tourists come in, just recalling this template number, the system will immediately know who are the individual people under tour agent, bus driver, and tour guide entitled to the commission. You can also change the commission table at this point if you want to. For this particular template at this moment, you can actually do the same thing like what we've shown you earlier. Call certain product and actually change the commission percentage. Okay, so let's cancel that and close, and then you add. So this becomes a new template for the day. Now for individual people, such as tour agents and tour guides and so on, you have to set them as promoters here. You can see here they'll ask you commission class, whether it's a tour agent or leader. Each individual person, because you're calculating the commission for each person, you have to set in a proper code for each one of them. So this is how we tie back this agent code to the commission class and the commission table just now you mentioned, right? So if you have, for example, tour leader, who are the tour leaders? You have to create individual codes for individual tour leader, so that the calculation for their commission is very specific to the person. Okay, this is where the main difference for this version is, where the setup of commissions is created here. Now that you have already set up the commission class and table and so on, which you have seen just now, let's go into the actual operation. Enter the cash for the day, the cash float. System will print an activation slip. Now you can see here there's something called template number, which you can immediately print in. If you've already set up your template number, for example, just now earlier, if not, you can do a search. You can see that immediately the system will know which tour company this belongs to. Okay, and also for the in-house promoter, you can key in your own in-house promoter because it can be different. This template number itself would have indicated who are the bus driver and so on, which you have set up earlier. And then all you do is you scan in the product code that you've sold. Okay, total, click on payment. For example, it's payment by cash and so on. The system will print out the receipt. Okay, from here because of this template number you can see here, we already know who are the people you're supposed to pay commission to. So it becomes fully automated. So that's it. Changing. You have a template. Sold, if it is 2 of this product, you just scan, you use a barcode scanner, you scan your product. Let's say you buy 5 of this product. Just scanning, payment, total, pay by credit card. You can do that under, let's say, MasterCard. How much is the amount? What is the card number? And then total, the bill will come out. Okay. Now from this process, the system already know how much of commission you're supposed to pay to each of the agent just because of the template number that you already have. Okay, so at the end of the day, same thing, you goes off, enter a password to exceed, total cash telling, those are similar to the AcePos standard. Now next, let's look at how the promoters report and commission will come out. For example, here you can see here, you have a list of promoters, right? And you do a preview, you can see these are all the in-house promoters. This is in-house promoters, that means these are your own promoters, what kind of names you have in there. And you have your promoters commission, right? For example, you can see all the individual bus drivers, in-house promoters, tour agents, and so on. You can see all their commissions calculation is here. Okay, if you want a detail, you can print out detail. You can see individual products sold by the individual people, how much commission they get. And now all this commission calculation is based on the rates that you set in the table earlier. So you can see that all the individual products that are sold, okay, based on individual people. You can also see their sales and the profit if you have a password by the individual people. You can see in-house promoter, how much, what they've sold, how much is your profit based on this person's effort individually. Okay, now you can list out the commission table which I have set earlier. You can see, right, the commission percentage that you have set earlier in the table. This is for you to counter check whether the commission you have set correctly, and this goes individual by department and product category and so on. So these are very individual. So you can actually assign different commission percentage for different class of products that you have. Okay, and you can also check the templates. What are the templates you have? You see, you can set on different template, different tour company on each particular day, on each particular date, who are the tour agents that come in, the guide under each template number, so that the commission can be calculated automatically when it comes in. Now these are the extra features which fully automate your commission calculation for different people under this tourism version as compared to our AcePos standard version. Now you can still use the AcePos standard, but then you would have to do the calculation manually yourself, but the figures are already there. I hope this video has highlighted the difference between this tourism version and the AcePos standard version for you. Thank you for watching this video.